Here are some highlights from the September issue of Onsite Installer. Complete Septic Services proves that a small, well-coordinated team can handle big projects. From advanced inspections to full-scale installs, they keep systems flowing, schedules tight, and clients satisfied. When a private country club needed a massive septic solution under tight rules and frozen ground, Picord Excavating delivered a gravity system that worked smarter, not harder. From dual alternating flouts to 1,200 feet of precision piping, this install turned tricky terrain into smooth flow. Indexing, diversion, solenoid, there's a valve for every challenge, but only if you understand the limits and tricks pros rely on. The 2025 Pumps Directory connects you to the companies that make it all work. Find pumps, controls, parts, and components fast. From tricky variances to steep rocky hills, Greenshore Excavating knows every site has a challenge. Stanley Stoltzfus and his crew navigate the Ozarks with precision, skill, and no-nonsense know-how. Next month, the biggest names in utility will hit Louisville. Flip through this preview for a first look at the products that will be on display at the 2025 Utility Expo. From submersible grinders to linear diaphragm aerators, these pumps and control panels handle it all. It's all in the product focus. From Florida to Wisconsin, septic systems are under scrutiny. How will these rules affect your next installation or service call? See how one lift station solved a tricky wastewater challenge for a top-tier horse hospital. The details might surprise you. Riovation's suspended biofilm generator turns clogged septic systems into clean-flowing machines. All this and more is included in your free subscription to Onsite Installer magazine. Thank you for watching, and thank you for reading Onsite Installer. See you next month.